Thank you.
Look, watch your step.
So it's a restaurant by the sea. May mga baging-baging, no? Dito ako'y ikot.
Tingnan mo yung sink nila. Di ba sa ano yan, singer na ano?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Ang galing!
Sewing machine.
Sewing machine.
Yes! Uy, may ganito kaming luma.
Yeah, idea dyan. Inaano nila ba yung nire-recycle?
This is their bathroom.
That's the banyo for the female doon.
Ay! Oh my goodness, wow.
Diba?
I know. Parang may mga ganyan kami sa bahay.
Yeah, parang ganun. Nire-recycle. Ito yung ano. Tingnan natin yung mga gumagawa ng product dito. Doon. Over here.
Kakatuwa.
Tingnan natin kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Ice cream production.
Ice cream production, okay. So this is the Bohol Bee Farm.
Tingnan din natin doon.
Bohol Bee Farm, where they produce everything that they sell here. Tignan mo to, oh. Diba? Kayang-kayang gumawa ni Henry ng ganyan.
Yung nagmimix sila ng ano, yung yun ang kalamay.
Oh.
Yan ang ano.
So this is where they manufacture their ice cream.
Yeah, they mix the flavor.
So parang ito yung pinaka-butter niya.
Yes, and then they mix the flavor.
Yes, ayan. Okay
Ito yung ano, yung kalamay.
Yeah, kalamay. So ganun pala. Okay, imimix na niya. Nakakatuwa naman kasi they provide jobs.
Yeah. Pinaprocess na din yung cream. Yan ang cream. Lalagyan ng flavor. Tapos yung cheese.
Wow, so ganun pala.
Pwede tayong gumawa ng natin.
Oo nga, no, yan.
Cream lang. Tapos i-mix mo yung flavor.
Ay, naku, 15% na lang. Kay Henry to. That's so nice. Okay, tapos halo-haluin niya lang.
Yeah.
Ay,
sandali mahal, I'm here. Tapos ihalo lang nila. Inaano nila yan, parang wini-weigh nila.
Yeah, wini-weigh. Yeah, I was gonna
so
say,
they know kung mag-ano talaga yung flavor. Mag-ano yung flavor. Yeah.
Yes, yeah,
They're
yeah.
making calamay flavor, mahal. See? They're making calamay flavor.
Yeah, yan.
Look.
Grabe.
Anong
galing.
doon?
Malani's getting
Idea.
evidence of all her ideas.
I know. Sabi ko nga, ito. Henry Cantura, you make this.
Ay, they're making ano. Ano tong...
Eh, parang coconut, oh.
Yes.
Coconut.
Nag-grill sila, ang tawag nito?
Grilling.
Nag-grind.
Galing naman.
At meron pang ibang alam ko meron silang ibang mga
Yes, I was
Mga
telling
products
Jenny, I was
eh,
surprised that here they stop right here.
Oh, dito sa may mga birds.
Yeah.
Bohol Bee Farm. Right there. Thank you.
Parakeet.
Ayan, oh, may mga birds. Bakit? Kasi busy-busy sila na, alam mo na, nagkukulitan. Oh, parakeets.
meron doon. Yung ibang production, wala doon.
I don't know. There's probably, but there's a pool right there.
Oh, ayun. Nandoon yung pool.
I know that.
Yeah.
Be their guest. Go jump in.
Wow, this is nice.
So, may
Dito.
mga resort na sila. Yan, mga rooms yan sa mga nasa-stay. And then meron silang mga garden. It's surrounded with gardens. Kasi
Hala, ay naku, ang gagawin ko talaga yung area ngayon na gagawin ko doon. I will put a lot of
Yeah.
plants around it. Para magkaroon naman ako ng green doon.
meron silang So, yan
Oh,
ang mga
ayan,
rooms
oh, di ba? Oh, may pa-garden doon. Oh, pasilip.
nila. Yan ang rooms nila
Yes, ayan,
na for rent.
Yes,
We should ask
parang
for the
secret
room
garden.
rates.
Ito kaya, oh, tingnan mo to, oh. Flight tour naman. Ayan, oh, nandito, oh.
Tingnan mo yung mga yung mga nila, yung tindahan nila.
Or you can grow flowers. It says you can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. Take every thought captive. Your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. I like that. It says your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. Take every thought captive. 2 Corinthians 10:5.